I don't know how.
The comments below are open. If you have a comment about what you're about to see.
Stuck upside down. I might be dreaming. There's no way back now. Like every inch of my body. Wanna dance with you all night long.
Hey guys, welcome back. You're gonna hear some noise in the background because my son is playing and watching his iPad. I contemplated whether or not to do this video, but I guess it's my reality, so I guess I will show it. It's kind of embarrassing. On Sunday we had a very lazy day. I did laundry, but I didn't fold it. It's sitting on my son's bed. And then the rest of the day we just hung out, we made dinner, we hung out, we didn't do anything else. Monday we spent the day together after work because he was gonna travel. I'm telling you all of this because I am about to show you a very embarrassing moment in my apartment. Monday I helped him pack and I really didn't do anything else but keep my son occupied so he would let him work and pack. Tuesday morning, I got up, I went to work, normal day, picked up my son from school, took him to play a little, and then decided to start a project. That project was to clean my pantry. By the time this video comes up, you would have already seen that video. But that was just last night, so it's real timeline. I didn't do anything else. I bought my son food, and I basically let him do whatever he wanted for the day so that I can get my pantry done. My pantry was a success. You will see that video before you see this one, and everything came out great. So I'm dreading this, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna insert a clip of just my kitchen because I think this video is just gonna be my kitchen because you guys have seen me clean my living room, I don't know, like in every video that I've posted. So I'm sure you're tired of it. I also have laundry, so I'm gonna show you the pile of laundry. And the comments below are open if you have a comment about what you're about to see. Alright guys, we're going to start by just loading the dishwasher and making some space in the sink so that I can wash the dishes that are not supposed to be in the dishwasher, and we can start just going around my kitchen and trying to get it back together because as you all saw, it is a hot mess.
There's no way back now. Like every inch of my body. Wanna dance with you all night long. Diving back, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you.
If you have a dishwasher, you know that it can get pretty stinky, so I usually try to run a load once a week with vinegar, and that kind of helps get rid of the smell and just clean the dishwasher itself. I really like the Dawn Power Wash, the white one, but I hate how it smells. I feel like I smell all the chemicals in it. So if you recommend another one that does almost the same thing and smells better, please put it down in the comments below. I need to try something because the chemical smell on this one is just ridiculous.
Wanna dance with you all night long. Diving back, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. You see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? While the steps getting wasted, even though we feel the same. Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go.
I've been really enjoying this powder from the Pink Stuff. I use it on all of my whites. It helps get most of my whites, all the stains off my whites, to be honest. And I've been using these cleaning towels from Dollar Tree. They come two to a pack and they're actually really, really good. I prefer them over the ones at Target.
My home is you. My home is you.
I had been using the Scrub Daddy Power Paste and I really liked it for my sink and a few other things, but they didn't have it at my Target. Most of the time that I was going, I couldn't find it. So I ended up ordering the Pink Stuff from Amazon, but I can't. I don't like it. I'm giving it to my aunt because I have 2 tubs of it. And I'm just going to continue using the Scrub Daddy Power Paste because I feel it works a lot better than the Pink Stuff paste.
Is there ever a way to be free? Can we turn back time so long, my dear?
I'm sure you guys notice I keep looking up, but it's to check if I'm still recording because I've been having issues where my phone just stops. It'll just stop recording and I have no idea until I'm done with the clip I think I'm filming, and it turns out I didn't record anything.
Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it flares? Would you let my way find my way home again? My home is you. My home is you. My home is you. My home is you.
So the Monday before this video was recorded, I realized there was a hole in my sink, and so maintenance came and covered it up, and I was just giving it a quick vacuum. I had already cleaned it before, but they ended up having to come back, and so there was a little bit of dust stuck on the plastic, so I just gave it a quick little vacuum around where they made the mess. So I try to keep my Nespresso pretty clean. I use it a lot, so I'm constantly having to empty out the back and run a water cycle through it. I do clean it with the descaler every 3 months, but today I'm just going to give it a quick little run through with the water. You'll see the water is going to start coming out brown, yellow. It's pretty gross when you realize that that's what I make my coffee with.
I drive around in a city full of shame. Everything feels hollow when you are away. When it all comes down.
I've been using this stainless steel cleaner for like a month now. I like it. I do use a wet towel and a dry towel. The dry towel is to buff it out after you've cleaned it. I used to use wipes, and I do like how this cleans my stainless steel, but I don't like that it's very oily, and so after you're done cleaning, your floor will be very slippery. You guys can see these dribbles are disgusting. They're actually just stained now or rusted. I've been here for about 1.5 years and I hadn't changed them, so I'm glad to finally be getting rid of them because they were really bad.
Drive around in a city full of shade. Everything feels hollow when you are away. When it all comes down, when our life is too big to confound. You said I can't love anyone but you, and I know exactly what to do. You said I can't love anyone but you. I'm totally yours if you want to.
So I'm just gonna pick up the big pieces here with the broom, and then I'm gonna vacuum and give this side of the kitchen a mop. I should be done after this. But I'm considering getting a wet vacuum. If any of you have any suggestions on a good one, please link them down below. I'm really just trying to minimize the steps I take when I'm cleaning my kitchen. Well, when I'm cleaning my floors.
When it all comes down.
Here it is. I finally finished. I think this entire kitchen clean took me about 2 hours, and that's not even counting all the stops I had to do to play with my son, or just regular mom duty things. I want to thank you guys for watching, and my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys will stop by in the next one, and I hope I encourage someone to get up and just attack whatever's going on in your home, whether it be a mess like mine, or organizing something, or just anything that's going to make you feel better at the end of the day. Thanks again. See you in the next one.